Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to scan MacBook for virus. A lot of people think Macs never get viruses, but that's not completely true. While macOS is very secure, Macs can still be affected by malware, adware, fake extensions, and suspicious apps. So in this video, I will show you how to scan your MacBook for viruses using built-in macOS tools. No third-party apps needed. So let's get started. Step number 1 is update your MacBook. The first thing you should do is update macOS because Apple regularly releases security patches and malware protection updates. Here's how to do it. You can see here Apple icon. Click on this Apple icon. Now click on About this Mac. Now you can see here software update. Now here you can see is there any update or not. Updating your Mac helps remove security vulnerabilities and improves built-in virus protection. And second, use Apple's built-in malware. macOS already includes built-in security systems like XProtect Gatekeeper malware remover tool. That tools automatically scan apps and block suspicious software in the background. To make sure they work properly, keep your Mac updated. Only install apps from trusted sources. Avoid downloading cracked or unknown software. Most of the time, these built-in tools are enough for regular users. Step 3 is check activity monitor. How to check it? Here's how. Press command plus spacebar and search for activity monitor. Then press enter. Now you can see here the activity monitor. Now what you have to do, just check CPU and memory tabs. You can see here CPU. This is the CPU tab. You can see here CPU. If you notice unknown apps using the high CPU, processes with strange names, app consuming excessive memory, search their name online or quit them if they look suspicious. Check memory also. To force close an app, select the process, then click the cross button. Let's suppose I want to close this Chrome. Just select it and then press on close here. You can see to stop this app. This helps identify hidden malware or unnecessary background apps. Now step 4, remove suspicious application. Now let's manually remove unknown apps. Open Finder. Open Finder. Go to Applications. Look for apps you never installed or anything suspicious. To remove them, just select the app and drag them to trash bin. And then empty the trash bin. And also check your download folders and delete suspicious installer files. And step number 5 is check browser extensions. A lot of Mac malware actually comes from browser extension. Open the browser. If your browser shows too many ads, random redirects, fake notification, then click on extensions immediately. Safari extension. Check here the extension here. And for Chrome, what you have to do, just open the Chrome browser. And now click on this 3 dot, then click on setting, Then here you can see extensions at the bottom. Now from here remove the unused extensions or auto installed extensions. Remove everything that feels you suspicious and unnecessary. And the last step is restart your MacBook. After removing suspicious files and apps, restart your MacBook. A restart helps stop hidden background processes and refreshes the system. If your Mac now feels normal, fast and clean, then the issue is probably fixed. So that's how you can scan your MacBook for viruses using built-in macOS tools without installing any third-party antivirus software. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you want more MacBook tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.